Hey everybody, this is Q with Q Dent Repair, back at it with another video. Just wanted you guys to check this one out. Pretty gnarly dent on the side of this 2019 Ford Transit van. Customer was backing out of his garage and he accidentally hit the wall. Luckily for him, luckily for me, there was no paint damage, no paint transfer, no scratches or anything. Just left a pretty gnarly dent basically from here to the lower part of the door. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go through this whole job and basically show you how the process, just how I'm gonna go about it. So let me pull my card over here. So for this particular job, the problem with this job here is that this isn't a sliding door. This is basically a closed panel right here. So I'm not going to be able to put a tool underneath the panel, inside the panel, and massage the dent out while looking at my light for reflection. That is going to be a very, very hard thing to do. So basically, for this job, there are no tools required, no hand tools required, that is. Basically, I'm going to be glue pulling and blending this dent out the whole process. So basically, let me pull my cart here. Basically, I'm just going to be using a slide hammer, as you see here. I'm going to be using different kind of tabs for this. So basically, this just slides in here with your glue. Just put that on there like that, and then just putting it on the center of the dent, and just basically that's gonna be the whole process. We are going to be using some cold glue. It's the same kind of process. You just slide it into your slide hammer like so, and then we're going to be taking out the bulk of the dent with cold glue and hot glue as well. So that's just part of the tool that we're going to be using for that. Also, I think that's it. Yeah, we're going to be using hammers. A lot of blending with this job to straighten that out. So join me as I pretty much show you the process and how I'm going to repair this dent. So keep watching. well, there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed watching as I enjoyed removing this dent. And go ahead and subscribe. Check out all our social media platforms. Go check out our website as well, qdentrepair.com. Thank you for watching.